Yo, Jay, let me ask you something, man. Did God create everything that exists?
Yes, he did.
So he also created evil, right?
Does cold exist?
Of course it does, man. Haven't you ever felt cold?
I have, but cold does not exist. Cold is the absence of heat. We only made up the word cold to describe the absence of heat.
Then what about darkness?
Darkness is the complete absence of light. We can study light and brightness, but we can't study darkness itself. Darkness occurs when light isn't present. God did not create evil. Evil is the absence of God in people's hearts, the lack of love and faith. Love and faith are like warmth and light. They exist. Their absence is what leads to evil. So, does evil exist?